After all, how much can a faceless channel really earn? $1,000, $2,000, or $5,000? If I say that's nothing, there are some channels that generate revenue of $200,000 from ad revenue alone. Do you guys really believe this nonsense I'm saying? I know no one will, so I've brought all the proof with me. If you check this channel's income on Social Blade, it'll show an amount that's just unbelievable. And yes, Social Blade is wrong most of the time, but wait a minute, if you look at the total views of this channel, and if we keep the RPM at a minimum of 85 cents, then our basic calculations show that this channel has generated quite a bit of revenue already, and that's too without any sponsorships, affiliate links, or courses. This channel makes videos of this type, where a polar bear gets into an accident in a snowy area and some rescuers come in, clean up the wood, save the bear, and then provide some food and leave. It basically has a unique storyline that resonates with the audience. You might be thinking that making these kinds of videos is really tough. That's why there's not much competition in this niche right now. Sure, it can be challenging, but if you watch this video all the way through without skipping, you'll see just how easy it actually is. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started with the video. Just so you know, when I created my first video like this, it took me around 6 to 7 hours just to generate the prompts. So then I thought, if it's gonna take hours to generate prompts for all these stories and images, what's the point? So I put in a bit more effort and created 2 different prompts that you can use to generate unlimited story-related images and everything else in under a minute. First, you need to copy this first prompt from my Discord server, but we're not generating anything just yet. This prompt will give you ideas about how the accident will happen, where the injuries will be seen, and rescue team's uniform color. Now just copy the second prompt from Discord and paste it into ChatGPT. Change the paste selected story idea into your story idea. For this story idea, we need 20 images, and there are some details provided for each image, like camera angle, uniform color, and environment. You can see how detailed the prompt is. It tells us where the accident will happen, where the rescuers will come from, how they'll treat the situation, and all that. So next, we'll copy the prompt to generate the images, then we need to search for Piclumen AI. Right now, there probably isn't a better site for generating images than this one, so just log in and then do some stuff. Once this interface is up, you just need to input the model and set the aspect ratio to 16:9, then generate it. In just a few seconds, our image will be ready. After that, you can download the image in PNG format. Next, copy the seed number from the first image by pasting the second prompt, then paste it here and generate it. Similarly, keep generating all the images one by one. The cool thing about this site is that it can generate 20 images in about 5 minutes, and you can generate unlimited images with amazing quality from just one Gmail ID. Oh, and one more thing. You might accidentally get some black bears instead, but you don't have to worry about that. Just change bears to polar bears in the prompt, and everything will be fine. Once all the images are generated, it's time to bring them to life. Finally, the moment has come that you've been patiently waiting for while watching this. You just need to search Hailuo AI in your browser, and you'll get 1,000 credits, which is more than enough. Then click on Create to upload your image and copy the prompt for that image to paste it here. After that, just hit Generate. It takes 30 credits for one image, so for 20 images, you'll need 600 credits. Similarly, you'll upload all the images one by one. You can see how amazing the video we got is. Then we'll download it, and once all the videos are downloaded, just check if all the videos got generated properly, and then open CapCut for video editing to import all the clips. Arrange them in the right order. There's not much editing to do, but instead of a watermark, add a text box that says thanks for watching, or you can put your channel name there. Make sure it's well adjusted, and we'll also add some sound effects like helicopters. Let's keep it simple so the audience can focus more on your story. Just double check that everything's done right, then we'll export the video in high quality. Before leaving the video, let me tell you some important settings. Make sure to set the channel category to entertainment and copy some of the most searched tags from rapid tags to add them in. That's the key for YouTube. Now you can upload it to the YouTube, and remember, consistency is the key.